This is gonna be intense, dude. So we got Aniyah taking on Vault. So it's gonna be intense. Jormungand, 7 Octa Plus, upgrading the burst resistance. You already know. And it's gonna take on your boy Ultimate Valkyrie, the Dynamite version. So it's gonna be intense. It's gonna be absolutely intense. So we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, boom. And you already know it's gonna be a heavy boy. For sure, man. Yeah, this is gonna be intense. Ooh, big hit, yo, big hit. Yo, starting off with those big hits, and yo, Valkyrie. Okay. Valkyrie starting off on a good note. Alright, that's one. Remember, it has 3 lives with it left, so probably we're gonna start seeing its downfall big time. Damn it, no, you're not. That was a goofball. I'm not counting that. Messed up my launcher. Damn. Alright. I'm trying to get a good launch. It's like not working. I'm trying not to crank my launcher too much. Alright. Big hit. Yo, that was a big hit. Come on! Damn it! And now it's gonna start stalling. God dang it. They had a big hit with that. And Aniyah taking that one. Yo! What the hell was that? Yo, the plus system actually saved it from not bursting, which is kind of ironic, alright? 1-1, that was intense. Now, Octa counter, ultimate, big. Come on, big hit. Big hit, gotta ride with this. Oh, big hit. Yo, Aniyah. And Aniyah takes it. Alright, 2 to 1. And boom. Big hit. Yo, big hit. Yo, big hit. Yo, Aniyah. Trying to hang in with the stamina. LED and Aniyah. Yo. Alright, that's 3 to 1. Yo, it's literally doing like the artillery effect with, not artillery. It's literally doing like the Blizzard Thrasher effect. Damn. Alright. 3 to 1, boom. Ultimate whip. Damn it, 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 God damn it, damn it. No. I'm not counting that. Okay, here we go. Boom. And boom. Oh, yo, Ultimate Whip V, Ultimate Whip V. What the hell was that, dude? Ultimate Whip V in real life. What the hell was that, dude? Oh shoot! It literally did it. What the hell was that? It did like the Ultimate Whip V. What the hell was that? Yo, Vault. Oh, yo, bro. Dude, what the hell was that? Literally did the Ultimate Whip V. Dude, bro, come on, dude. Alright, well, that's 3 to 2, and it's not over yet. It's not over yet. This is intense. Octa counter. Ultimate. Awaken V. And damn it, you win. Out of control, dude. This is intense. Dude, this is intense. This is what you're talking about. A legendary battle. For sure, man. Super intense. Alright, 3 to 2. Ultimate Whip V. There we go. Ultimate Whip V. Alright, big hit. No big hit. Yo, it's uppercutting it big time. Oh, that's not good, man. And Aniyah. Alright, that's 4 to 2. So can Ultimate Valkyrie, can we get the 4 to 2 to come back and win? If not, we're gonna have to call it. Alright, boom. And yo! No! It got the KO! It got the KO! Yo, Vault ain't done yet. That's 4 to 3. Vault ain't done yet. Using that ultimate slash V in a major way. Alright, come on. Big hit. Oh man. doing the uppercut thing. And damn, alright, well, 5 to 3. If Aniyah takes it, then I'm gonna call it, bro. Come on, Vault. You gotta put in some work, Vault. Okay. But now it's nothing to do. Now it's going, damn. It's damn. It uppercutted it big time. Alright, that is, let me think. 5 to 3, 6 to 3. Alright, I'm gonna give it one final chance. And alright, they can't go Valkyrie. Yo! Dude, it shows, man. Ultimate Valkyrie is still a beast. Alright, so that is 6 to 4. I'm going to 7 with it, so you know, ball ain't done yet. Oh no! Yo, how we doing? Dude, yo, Vault, bro, yo! Vault ain't playing, homie. 4, 5, 6. Dude, it's tied up. Before, dude, it was 6 to 4. 5, 6. 5, 6. It's 6. Dude, this is intense. Yo, Vault ain't done. The Wonder Boy ain't done yet. Dude, this is intense. The Wonder Boy is showing his power right now. It is 6-6. I'm going to 8 points with this. So, if you burst, you lose. That's it. Damn, bro. It actually had the power to burst it. Come on. You already know. Gotta get a good launch. Alright. Off the counter. Now, ultimate whip. Awaken me! And damn it. Okay. No, Valkyrie. Okay. Off the counter. Ultimate slash. Awaken me. And Yo! Whoa! Damn. Dude, I can't count that because I picked it up too early. Alright, I'm gonna call that one a draw. Alright, I'm gonna redo it. 6-6. This is intense. Off the counter. Ultimate slash. Awaken me! No way! It got the KO. 7 to 6. If Vault can win one more point. Dude, what the hell? Dude, this is intense. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie to you. This is intense. Oh, no way! No! Hell no! It just beat it! Dude, that was intense. Dude, Vault ain't playing around. Dude, damn. That was a hell of a dogfight. Not even gonna lie, that was intense. Vault coming back with the payback, man. Like it shows, man. The Wonder Boy ain't playing around, dude. But that was a holy hell of an intense dogfight. That was super intense, man. Like, dude, Aniyah was in that lead until Vault's like, nah, I'm gonna show you my power. And damn, bro, I might have a rematch because, dude, this was intense for sure, man. But anyways, Vault taking the win over Aniyah. So this does mean that it does lost another life left. So one more life left. It has one more life left. So yeah, man. So you know, it only has 5 lives with it. It has a little bonus life with that, and it technically has 6 lives with it. After that, doing the dream battles and then calling the battles with it. But that was holy hell. That was intense. That payback by Vault, man. shows is definitely the Wonder Boy, man. But that was intense, man. Vault taking the win over Aniyah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure to smash subscribe down below. Let me know if you should subscribe for some epic content, because I will damn sure ring that bell. Cavity. This is your boy Kimmel signing off. See you guys there. Thanks so much for watching. Next time, stay awesome and go shoot. About here.